जय श्री राम, जय Shri Krishna, Jai Hanuman. Now, we are actually currently talking about the glory of Shri Bharatji. It is said in Tulsi Ramayana as we go on that by meeting the Lord, by meeting Ramji, they were able to get eligible for moksha. But the sight of Bharat was such that all the shackles of this world were broken. By meeting Ramji, the ones who became eligible by the mere sight of Bharatji, they crossed the ocean of mundane existence, that is Bhav Sagar के पार वो ऐसे निकल गए जैसे कि वो कभी भव सागर में फंसे थे ही नहीं. सो दैट इज द महिमा. कहते हैं ना, दो चीजें हैं, एक तो गुरु और गोविंद. व्हेन गुरु एंड गोविंद आर स्टैंडिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ ईच अदर, किसको पहले प्रणाम किया जाए? तो कहते हैं ना, गुरु गोविंद दोनों खड़े काके लागू पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आपकी गोविंद दियो मिलाए. क्योंकि वो निमित्त बने थे. ही और शी, दैट गुरु in any form actually ignited the spark in us. A guru cannot do much actually, right? The faith is ours, the knowledge is ours. What does he do? He ignites the spark. Like a matchstick, he will come, it's a very simple example, and light the candle. And the candle starts burning. Once the candle is lit, the role of the guru is over. And be it for adults like us or children, that is all that has to be done. A seed has to be sown or a spark has to be ignited. उसके बाद में there is no stopping the devotee. So जब गुरु गोविंद दोनों खड़े हैं, तो this devotee went to the Lord, went to the Guru. He said, because of you, I could reach the Lord. Had the spark not been ignited, क्या मैं प्रभु की तरफ मुड़ता भी? संसार में इतने उलझे रहते हैं. We are so busy in this world. And it is very attractive, isn't it? And we are afraid of our own company also. हमें अकेला रहना नहीं पसंद है. We cannot stay alone. Either we'll put on the YouTube or listen to something, call and talk to somebody, watch something, go out. We are not happy with एकांत. And एकांत पे ही प्रभु मिलते हैं. In a very simple format, they say, right, a child should be allowed to get bored. Nowadays, we don't allow our children to get bored also. They are not given the practice of being in ekant. So when a child is not nurtured with the habit of being in ekant, being alone, getting bored, doing nothing, looking at the ceiling, how will we? Because that was not. We were kept 24/7, we have to be busy. So then where will the spark be ignited? And even if the spark is ignited, if we are not with ourselves, if we are not alone, we will not be able to protect that spark, right? हम उसको हवा भी नहीं दे पाएंगे. We'll be so busy and the wind of this world is going to just destroy that spark again and again and again. So over here, we went a step ahead. But Guru ignites the spark. And in the same way, another devotee. भरत कौन है? भरत राम के भक्त है. वो भाई बाद में है, पहले भक्त है. And Bharat calls himself a chakar. As we go on, we'll see. He said, मैं तो राम का नौकर हूं. मैं तो चाकर हूं. मैं तो कुछ भी नहीं हूं. मेरे राम भैया का मैं नौकर हूं. And a devotee's glow is so strong that it just breaks the veils of darkness. तो तुलसी बाबा ने कहा है कि जो राम जी को देख के नहीं हुआ, वो भरत को देख के हुआ. राम जी को देख के they became eligible. भरत को देख के वो तो पार निकल गए. See, if you see a devotee dancing and joy, nowadays when you go around, there is a lot of hype about Kumbh Mela, right? And if you like to watch those reels and see so many Naga sadhus, so many Babas being interviewed, have you realized what actually breaks the internet and gets those TRPs and views is when a Baba is very educated? That IIT Baba that they are talking about, that there is some DRORO, some Baba. Suddenly when a Baba talks sense and speaks in English, they realize कि अरे फिर इनने प्रभु के तरफ ये क्यों मुड़ गए सब छोड़ के, राइट? अरे मतलब what is so surprising about it? I don't understand. मतलब but what happens to us is we feel that a person who turns towards spirituality is either broken and beaten, कि इनके घर में कुछ अनहोनी हो गई होगी, इनका दुनिया से कुछ मतभेद हो गया होगा, या फिर they are not intellectually stimulated enough, they are not educated enough, that's why they have turned towards God. And when we see a person who is educated and he denounces everything or she denounces everything and goes toward God, it becomes the hype of the town. Actually, the people who chase the Lord instead of the Maya are the most enlightened of all beings. By one drishti of Sri Hari, everything can turn into gold, right? Maya is in his control. But what are we chasing? We are chasing his Maya, ignoring the Mayapati, not knowing that when you chase the Lord, everything else follows. कहते हैं ना, प्रभुता प्रभुता सब चहे, प्रभु चहे ना कोई, जो प्यारे प्रभु को चहे, तो आप प्रभुता होए. And simple words, beautiful use of words here, difficult to translate in English, but the gist is, everyone wants name, fame and money, but no one wants God. Not knowing that the one who wants God gets all this and much more without any effort. By a wink of an eye, the Riddhis and Siddhis dance at their mere wish. It's a different story that they don't care about the Riddhis and Siddhis of this world. तो क्या होता है? Look at Bharat. We would say that in today's scenario, what kind of a brother he is. He was getting everything, he left everything and he was chasing Ramji. But that is the madness that a devotee has to have now. And he is walking, he is indulging and he is walking, he is moving on. And everybody who is getting drishti of Bharat is getting enlightened. इसी के लिए कहते हैं ना, as a devotee your responsibility increases. Because we become the pioneer or the face of the Lord. Because प्रभु को तो देख नहीं पा रहे. और जो हरि कीर्तन करता है और फिर वो भद्र व्यवहार करे या अपशब्द बोले या he behaves in a unmannerly manner, then they'll say what has he learned from the scriptures. So your responsibility increases many-fold because just the drishti of a devotee can repel a person from God or pull a person towards God. Our responsibility increases many-folds. So इसीलिए ना वाल्मीकि जी, till he was sure, he kept saying Mara, 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 Mara. He did not say Ram, 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 Ram. Not that he could not. He did not. Because he said कि लोग बोलेंगे कि रुको, अगर ये राम चैंट करे तो राम चैंट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. I have to become eligible to take the name of the Lord. And that requires a lot of sadhana. And many of us might say that when we are already free, why do we need any sadhana? Right? When we are not tied, we are already free. We were never bound. We are that. Why do we need sadhana? So one sage said, sadhana ghadaya. What is it? Sadhana is a donkey. It is donkey's work. रोज सुबह उठो ब्रह्म मुहूर्त में, like we discussed last week, right? Have a schedule for yourself. Even when your mind is saying आज छोड़ देते हैं, it's okay, आज मुझसे जप नहीं हुआ तो it's all right. The family is watching a movie, so I'll watch a movie today. Watch a movie, but after completing the jap, right? So that sadhana that we have set for ourselves is donkey's work, yes, because you have to keep doing it again and again in circles with diligence to realize what? That sadhana was not needed. Because we are. Right? साधना गधा है पर करनी पड़ती है ताकि आपको पता चले कि साधना की जरूरत ही नहीं थी. वी वर दैट तत्त्वमसि अहम ब्रह्मास्मि. भरत और राम में कोई फर्क नहीं था. Was there any difference between Ramji and Bharatji? They were one. If we later on we look at the description of who took the form of Bharat, who took the form of Lakshmanji, who took the form of Shatrughanji, they were but one. But to realize that oneness, Bharat had to go through all the tapasya. It is just the journey of a sadhak which is being told to us, that every hurdle, every gift, every glory, every name, every fame, every opportunity to get misled by joy or by sorrow has to be overcome to reach Ram. तो साधना रिपीटेडली करनी पड़ेगी till you realize कि I am that. And Bharat is doing that sadhana, marching against all the judgments, all the misbeliefs, all the lucrative offers of the kingdom, where everybody is saying you won't be, blamed, because a father has the right to give the kingdom, to give the throne to any child. So he has given it to you, so it's rightfully yours. But he said, nahi. Na arth, na dharm, na kam, na moksha. मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. मुझे मेरे राम चाहिए. And this is the kind of junoon a devotee has. So he's walking. And now he has reached, right? Shringaverapur, where Nishad Raj is there. Nishad Raj is also not sure what the intentions of Bharat are. भाई intentions सामने लिख के तो घूमते नहीं है भक्त. Sometimes what happens is we look at a guru, right? And many a times we make this mistake. इसी के लिए कहते हैं, never judge anybody, especially if it is a dharma guru. Why? Because his manners might be very normal. He might be eating, getting up, sleeping, wearing the same thing that we are. But we do not know what is going on inside. So Nishad Raj also, to look at Bharat, he realized that he is coming with the entire battalion. Because nobody wanted to be left behind. अब अगर कोई बोले ना कि हम राम से मिलने जा रहे हैं, कौन पीछे रहना चाहेगा? Everybody came, barring the few people who were guarding the kingdom on behalf of Sri Ramji. So the battalion is there, the chariots are there, the elephants are there, all the soldiers are marching. They are marching towards their king to bring him back. Not only that, the jal from all the holy rivers which was collected has been put. Agnihotri, like Vashisht Guru, it is said that many sages, they keep a fire burning, right, all through their life. These are Agnihotris and the fire is burning and they keep giving ahuti on it, and later on when they pass away or when they take samadhi, or if that is, if they are not taking jal samadhi or if they are to be burned, the same fire is used. So again, Guru Vashisht, he did not know how long it will take. So he took all the samagri of his Agnihotri. He was also going with it. The fire, everything is moving. So it is like the entire Ayodhya is on wheels. Just imagine that. The entire Ayodhya is on wheels, moving towards their dear Sri Ram to bring him back. And Sri Bharat is the leader. The gurus, mothers, even Ma Kekei has been given the equal love and respect, and she is also seated there. When they reach Nishad Raj's kingdom, Nishad Raj is not very sure of the objective, as we discussed last week. But then there is a wise man who looks at the omens. Now we are not connected to nature anymore, right? हमने ये 4 दीवारियां बना ली है. How many times do we put our feet on the soil and tell ourselves that we are just another plant, we are just mobile? The sun, the bees, the birds, even a small little white moth, if it enters your house, it is telling you something. Nature talks to us, but we have forgotten its language, right? ये problem हो गई है. Everything has been told to us beforehand. If there is a mishap that is happening, the nature tells us. If there is something good that is going to happen, the nature tells us. If there is a guest that is going to come also, the nature tells you. But the problem is we have forgotten the language of this universe. We have isolated ourselves so much that we believe that we are not part of this universe. But the universe still thinks that we are a part of it. Bar. And how will we be able to read these signs? We have to quieten our mind. एकांत में रहना पड़ेगा. इतना जब शोर होगा तो हमें नेचर की भाषा और नेचर की आवाज, इस प्रकृति से हमारा वार्तालाप होगा ही नहीं, हमें सुनाई नहीं पड़ेगा. बिकॉज संसार का शोर इतना है कि हम प्रकृति की मीठी मीठी मंद भाषा नहीं समझ पा रहे. And then we feel lost and depressed. I don't think, there are very few who would say I sleep well at night. You don't sleep well at night if your day has not been well utilized. That is what happens to me. The day I'm not happy with what I have done during my day, I don't sleep at night. Because I feel कि पूरा दिन बर्बाद कर दिया. And it happens. वो रात भी पूरी नहीं निकलती. So, if you can't sleep at night, it is not the sleeping pills or anything, the deficiencies. Maybe that is the case. But it is more so the guilt subconsciously that मनुष्य जीवन का एक दिन तुमने बर्बाद कर दिया. And today it has become a pandemic. Every second person will say, मुझे रात को नींद नहीं आती है. So if you are not able to sleep at night, at least that is what I do to myself. I ask myself, आज दिन में क्या गलती करी थी तुमने? Was I a good mom? Was I good to my health? Was I good to my driver? Did I utilize my time properly? Did I read my scriptures? Did I put bhog? What is it that I have not done? जो मुझे आज रात को नींद नहीं आ रही है. And the day you put yourself to good use, the day you have benefited somebody, you'll sleep very well without those sleeping pills also. पर हम उस तरह से सोचना ही नहीं चाहते. So over here, the nature is talking. So the omen said to this old man when somebody sneezed, कि Bharat has come with a very pious intention. Don't go and rage a war against him. Don't sink the boats. Go talk to him first. Don't jump to conclusions. Never jump to conclusions. So now Bharat went. Nishad Raj went to Bharat and he started talking. And he said, see, I am Nishad. है ना? मैं राम जी का सेवक हूं. दो सेवक you know. एक भक्त दूसरे भक्त का दोस्त हो जाता है ना. और वो भी राम जी का भक्त है, राम जी का सेवक है. तो भरत ने बोला ये तो मेरे बड़े भाई हैं. Right? He said, I am Nishad. He told his jati, he told what he does, he told everything. And Bharat ji, it is said that went to him and almost fell on his feet. कि आप मेरे भाई के दोस्त हैं तो आप मेरे भाई हैं. You are my brother. ये निषाद ने बोला, what are you doing? And Shatrughan ji touched his feet. And not only this, Guru Vashish was standing next to him. He gathered Nishad in his arms. As if, you are gathering the flowers which have been scattered on the floor. You went, he gathered them with such love and tenderness. कि तुम राम के भक्त हो, तुम राम के मित्र हो, तुमने राम की सहायता की. See, time and again our scriptures shout out. Yes, caste and jati are two different things. We say jati. We say karm se insan. What he is doing is accordingly, he is in a particular sect. Nobody is by birth. There is this river called Karmanasha, right? Now, Karmanasha is flowing. It is not considered auspicious. But if this Karmanasha, when it blends with Ganga ji and moves forward, what happens to it? We fill it in our bottle and bring it home, right? Because the minute it touches Ganga ji, everything is gone. So when we don't hold on, ki this is Karmanasha, this is Ganga. Karmanasha has met Ganga, so it has made Ganga impure. ऐसा होता है क्या? Whatever be your job, the minute Lord takes seat in your heart, you become as pure and as eligible to do anything ever possible. And this is what our scriptures say. Yes, wrongly, a lot of negativity and poison has been put into our heart, and we feel so inferior when we say caste system. There is no word caste, it is jati. It is by chores, it is by job. Scriptures tell us again and again, कोई धर्म जन्म से नहीं होता, कर्म से होता है. वाल्मीकि जी की रामायण हम पढ़ते हैं, फिर भी हम जाति के बारे में बात करते हैं. निषाद राज को भी सी गुरु वशिष्ठ, Bharat ji and Shatrughan ji falling at his feet, and still we say कि no, Sanatan Dharma has casteism. Casteism हमारे में शब्द ही नहीं है, जाति है, ठीक है. So just imagine the love. Not only this, all the Ayodhya Vasis came forward. Everybody wanted to touch his feet. And Nishad Raj's test was not over. What he did was, very smartly, he got a lot of things to gift Bharatji. And while he was offering, he had roots and bulbs and shoots and a lot of other things to offer. Just by what Bharatji would pick up, he would know the intentions of Bharatji. See, you can judge a person by the 5 people who are around him, right, whom he interacts with, and by what he eats and dresses up like and talks. See, we always say don't judge a book by its cover. Don't. But कई चीजें छुपती नहीं है, right? So the minute Bharat ji picked up roots and bulbs, or he said नहीं अभी मेरी इच्छा नहीं है, he realized कि इनका intentions बुरे नहीं है. See, our choices show what we are. Whether we like it or not, we may deny it, जो भी है. Our actions and our choices, how we react to situations, how we talk about other people, the kind of people we move around with. Even a lot of our marketing books and all these business books, they tell us to judge a person, you look at the company, where he's going, what he's eating, how he gets up, when he sleeps. पता चल जाएगा कि इसका disposition क्या है. The other thing is we shouldn't judge only, right? So he's saying, I shall test his love on the touchstone of his friendly disposition. अभी बाहर से तो दिख रहा है कि he is very friendly, he is very nice, but I want to go deep within. At the face of it, we can be very nice to everybody, right? But अंदर क्या चल रहा है? That also we will come to know if we are pious and clean. For hatred and love cannot be disguised even if one tries to do so. Extreme hatred and extreme love can never be disguised. हमें पता चलेगा. See, if we really pay attention, the vibes speak. The minute you enter, the minute you meet somebody, you already know what the person thinks about you. The only thing is we are not using those frequencies anymore. We don't want to. And then we say हमारे साथ ऐसा हो गया. ऐसे हो ही नहीं सकता कि आपके बिना पता चले कोई आपके साथ में भद्र व्यवहार कर ले. Their intentions you'll always know. But the thing is we are not able to make use of those faculties that are there within us. So he's saying, I'm going to find out. So saying he began to collect what? Articles of making a present, sent for bulbs, roots, fruits, as well as birds and deers. And a lot of people came, fat fishes, so many things he gathered and he is taking to Bharatji. And by the choice, by the body mannerism, by what he is going to take, by the tears in his eyes, he realized that I was so wrong. Had I not listened to the counsel of the old wise man, आज तो अनर्थ हो जाता. I would have attacked Bharatji. He is the greatest disciple. Don't jump to conclusions. Be very careful before taking decisions. Haste makes waste. It's a very common saying. We teach our children, right? Haste makes waste. Right? So sharing is caring. So simple things that we keep telling our children, but we forget. Right? We tell our children, if you have 2 chocolates, एक अपने friend को दे दो, एक आप खा लो. हमारे पास में 100 साड़ियां हैं, क्या हम 50 किसी को दे सकते? नहीं दे सकते. So then the child says कि Mama, you tell me, but you don't do it. Children are very, very smart. Their frequencies are clearer and purer than ours. They observe. They know. And then we say, मेरा बच्चा मेरी बात नहीं सुनता क्योंकि तुम जो बोलते हो खुद करते नहीं हो. And I get it a lot from my children also. If I teach something in Bal Vihar and I come back and I shout at them, आपने तो बोला था गुस्सा नहीं करते, कई बार सुनने को मिलता है. एंड गुड, कहते हैं ना, निंदक नियरे राखिए आंगन कुटी छवाए, बिन पानी साबुन बिना निर्मल करे सवाए. जो आपकी निंदा करता हो ना, जो आपकी त्रुटि निकालता हो, if there is somebody who takes out all the faults in you and tells you कि this you are saying but this you are not doing, keep that child or person or friend very close. Because without the use of soap and water, he is going to keep showing you the mirror and reminding you, hello, what are you doing? And then you'll keep cleaning yourselves, because it'll be a reminder. So those people should surround you, not the yes man. What we do is, जो हमें बहुत अच्छा बोलता है उसको हम अपने पास रख लेते हैं. But if somebody has the courage to tell you कि no, this is wrong, this is what you're doing, it should not be done, we don't like that person anymore. He's always saying bad things about me. But what he's saying could be true, right? Stop and think. So, over here, Nishad listened to the counsel and he went. Nindak niyare rakhe angan ko tichwaye. That means keep the person who is always taking out faults in you very close to you, because without the use of soap and water, he is going to cleanse your nature and behavior and your heart. So, Nishad Raj was he had lots of people who would give right counsel. Ab Ravan ka demise kyun hua? Because of the fear, everybody said, stop saying the truth to him. And that is what is happening in our world nowadays. Because of so much of fear, nobody gives right counsel. किसको bad books में जाना है? चाहे वो politics हो, चाहे वो doctors हो, चाहे वो friends हो, चाहे वो family members हो, even parents. They would not tell you कि नहीं ये गलत है. उनको लगेगा जाने दो ना, हमें क्या करना. Let them do what they want to do. Why should I say anything? Right? So over here, he had a group of such people who saved a very big mishap. So he went, but he still wanted to check. And when he checked, when he saw Bharat, his heart melted. He said, thank God, ye galti nahi hui humse. And after that, it is so beautifully said that all the people in Nishad's community, they emptied their houses. In the sense, emptied their houses of themselves. Because just imagine, there are so many people coming, right? So what they did is, everybody said कि आप लोग हमारे घर में रहिए. Each and every person vacated their houses and everybody was given the place to stay. इसे कहते हैं अतिथि का मान. So वो हम नहीं कर पाते हैं. I don't know, our conditioning is such that we are unable to be so selfless like the Nishad people were, and everything was given. They were given food, whatever little they had, all the beds, all the premises were emptied, tents were erected for more people. They themselves went and slept under the trees. And such beautiful, whatever little they had, they did not have much, was shared with Bharat, and everybody was given a place. The mothers and Bharatji visited Ma Ganga. They joined their hands. At that time, we have already covered Bhagirath's story in great detail, right? In Ramayana, in Tulsi Ramayana, at this point, they talk about the descent of Ma Ganga. Later, and Bharadwaj Rishi also talks about it. And he joins his hands. He said, Ma Ganga, give me the strength to complete what I had come for, to be able to bring back my brother. And Ma Ganga is overwhelmed. All the ma's tents, all the mothers' tents are put near the Ganga. They all take a dip in the holy river. And later, when all the prayers are done, their tents are moved to another side. Each and every mother, it is not mentioned that only Kaushalya Ma or Sumitra Ma or Kaikeyi Ma. Each and every mother is tended to by Bharatji and Shatrughanji. Unke pair daba ke dhang se, they are talking to them. Aske baad mein Shatrughanji is put on duty of the mothers, and Bharatji walks ahead and tells Nishad Raj, can you please show me the place where my bhabi, my little brother, and Bhaiya Ram had slept at night? See, think of it, Sita Ma had never put her foot on the ground. There were rugs covered by velvet. Her beds were soft, right? The clothes she wore, never had she lifted anything heavy in her hand. Apart from the bow, of course, which always became light for her. So they went, and when he saw the kush grass which was laid under the tree, because Nishad Raj had not touched it, he said, Yahan pe they had spent the entire night. Bharat just could not stand anymore. He just, like Nishad is there, and Bharat just was on Nishad. He was supporting, Nishad Raj was supporting him. He broke down and he fell down. He started crying. And he said, my brother and my younger brother, who's so tender, and not only this, my bhabi, Ma Sita, who was the daughter of Raja Janak. Raja Janak was like, over here they mention it so beautifully, that Raja Janak had the ability to not only be in yog, but at the same time be in bhog. He was one Janak Raja who could balance both the world and spirituality, which is very difficult for anyone to do. He said, unki beti, and the opulence that he had. Raja Dashrath's Bahu, who could go to the heavens and fight and come back. Not only this, she is the wife of Sri Ramji. And look at her. Look at faith. कहते हैं ना, faith के आगे, destiny के आगे किसी की नहीं चलती है. Nothing. I am trying to find this place over here. I'll just see. Kush grass. Both men and women are spent through sorrow. To whom shall I liken her father? Now, Janak, who in this world is a master of, yagya and gyan and enjoyment both. And she had for her father-in-law King Dashrath, the son of the solar race, who was the envy even of the lords of paradise. And her beloved lord is no other than Lord Sri Ram, from whose glory all great ones derive their greatness. Even as I gaze at the litter on which Ma Sita slept, kush grass on the floor under the tree, without any blanket, anything to cover her, right? This glorious Ma Sita slept through the night. Can you imagine? No pillow, no sheet, nothing to cover her, just what she's wearing. In the jungle, try to visualize how difficult it must have been. And there, what he saw is that a few pieces of her jewelry were scattered. One or two, like the patti nikal gayi, jaise hote na, thin ones. And his heart was breaking. She is the jewel amongst the virtuous women, devoted to their Lord. My heart, he's saying, why does my heart not break in this horror? Why am I still breathing even now? How hard and adamant has God made me? कि मेरा दिल टूट ही नहीं रहा है, मेरी सांस छूट ही नहीं रही है. माँ सीता के साथ में ऐसा हो गया. And she's saying that the gold has lost its luster. Those gold now which is lying here and Ma Sita is not there, it has lost all its luster. And he starts weeping. He says, my brother Lakshman, he has always been so protected. And I'm sure he must be standing guard. वो तो सोया भी नहीं होगा मेरा भाई. And what is, all this has happened because of me. He's blaming himself. At that time Nishad Raj says, listen, ये आपके कारण नहीं है, ये नियति है. It is not even माँ KK's fault. Whatever is happening is all destiny. It is fate. And the sooner we understand this, the ways of providence are beyond us indeed. जो कुछ भी हो रहा है, जो कुछ भी हुआ है, जो कुछ भी आगे होगा, वो लिखा हुआ है. The sooner we understand it, the better it is. The less bitter we'll be, less anxious we'll be, and less wasted our energies. Our energies will be conserved. And over here, Nishad is telling him it is all providence. Niyati, destiny, faith. And we are not bigger than faith, whether we like it or not. So why? Why are you feeling so sad? And let me tell you one thing, Bharat. Ramji was constantly talking about you. He has no hatred towards you. For him, you are as dear as his own breath and heartbeat. And Bharat started remembering one episode when they were playing hide and seek. Bacche to ye bhi the na. So they were playing hide and seek. And at that time, Ramji came. Bola, Bharat, tell me some nice place where I can hide so that Lakshman cannot find me. And at that time, even as children, Bharat said, Ram bhaiya, आप मेरी आंखों में छुप जाओ, आपको मैं बहुत अच्छे से रखूंगा, आपको किसी को देखने भी नहीं दूंगा. एंड ही स्टार्टेड क्राइंग अगेन कि जिस भाई को मैं अपनी पलकों पे रखना चाहता था, आज ही इज रोमिंग अराउंड इन द जंगल विदाउट इवन अ पादुका ऑन हिज फीट. And Nishad looks at this, and not only Nishad, everybody's heart is burning because of the agony that they can see in Bharat's eyes and heart. That night went very slow. Bharatji slowly went back with his thoughts, but he has to rest. He had to rest and continue with the journey. And what they did was, they got a lot of boats, and within an hour, everybody was able to cross the Ganga and go to the other side. Now the test had not ended, ठीक है? यहाँ से वो पहुंचे भरद्वाज आश्रम. Ramji had also gone to the Bharadwaj ashram. Bharadwaj ji was waiting. And see, before a person comes, the news of his coming comes, right? And if a nice person is coming, you feel overjoyed. If a person who is not nice or somebody you don't want to come comes, you feel, "Arey yaar, kyun aa raha hai?" Right? So the news of your coming travel before you. So hope that news is good. Be a nice person so that when you travel, people are happy to have you over. Always remember, you reach later. The news of you coming reaches first. So Bharadwaj Rishi was overwhelmed. He said, Bharat is coming. Ramji's Bharat is coming. He started preparing. राम जी तो अंदर गए थे भरत से मिलने, तो भरद्वाज जी बाहर भाग के आए. And Bharat followed the entire decorum. Before entering the ashram, all the weapons, everything was dropped. And slowly and steadily he walked alone with Shatrughan. And he greeted Bharadwaj Rishi. And in his heart, he was feeling embarrassed and ashamed. Ki God knows what Bharadwaj ji must be thinking. Ki I have taken away the kingdom from my brother. But the minute Bharat came, his heart became light because he realized that Bharadwaj Rishi held him higher than Sri Ramji himself. He said, Ram and Ma Sita could not stop talking about you. They said कि हमारा जो भरत है ना, वो ऐसा है वैसा है. That happens to all mothers and fathers, right? No, once you become a mother and father, no matter where you go, the conversation is about your child. होता है. Sometimes, that is why I say, the people who are single, they say, I don't want to go and meet with married people. The only thing they talk about is their child. It becomes so boring. तो मेरे तो बच्चे हैं नहीं और मुझे तो ये बात समझ आती नहीं है. So some single people, say, नहीं, I don't want to go. All they'll talk about is their child. बेटे ने ये करा, बेटे ने वो करा. This is his accomplishment. This is what he has done. So this continuous dialogue was happening. Ram could not stop glorifying you, Bharat. I was so desperate. I could not wait to meet you. And Ram ने बोला था, देखना, भरत आएगा. जब राम आगे गए ना, उनको पता था कि मेरा भरत आएगा. See, these relationships we don't see in today's world anymore. Unfortunately, एक तो families are becoming smaller and families are becoming distant. It is sad कि this kind of love we probably cannot understand. कि क्या भाई को अपने भाई से इतना प्यार हो सकता है कि वो सब छोड़ के आ जाए? We can't understand it. Because what happens is, as we move forward, brothers and sisters and brothers, they drift apart. They get so involved in their own family, forgetting कि यार सबसे पहले तो वही आपकी फैमिली थी, आपका भाई था. अब वो भाई नहीं रहा, बाकी सब जरूरी हो गए. इसीलिए कहते हैं ना, राम, लक्ष्मण, भरत एंड शत्रुघ्न मिसाल है कि भाई हो तो कैसे हो. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली ये कलयुग है, त्रेता तो है नहीं, right? And more often nowadays in the world, when we see, we realize कि if anybody is the most grievous or most in a very, कई बार हम देखते हैं कि it is the families who don't get along. Friends तो फिर भी एक दूसरे से मिलजुल के रह लेते हैं. Why? What is happening? Why? What is the reason? And over here, one brother could not stop talking about him. One brother threw away everything to go and meet his brother. लक्ष्मण उर्मिला को समझा के निकल आए, सीता सारे कंफर्ट छोड़ के निकल आई, भरत मांडवी को कह के निकल आए, सब छोड़ दिया एक भाई के लिए. It is very difficult to understand in today's era कि ऐसा भी हो सकता है क्या. And that is why sometimes historical documents become myths and mythology because it does not match with our sensibilities anymore. कि क्या भाई इतना जरूरी हो सकता है, क्या भाई के लिए सब छोड़ दो. And then when Bharadwaj Rishi said, I want you to stay here. I want you to spend the night here. You all are very tired. अभी आप आगे ना जाए. Bharat said, नहीं. आपका छोटा सा आश्रम, just imagine, 3-4 कुटिया, उनकी इतनी बड़ी सेना, the entire battalion, the entire Ayodhya is on wheels, as we said. Bharat ji said, nahi. Not because he did not want the Atithya, he did not want to be greeted, but he said, nahi, how will he manage? But इसे कहते हैं ना, तपस्वी की साधना और उसकी शक्ति कुछ और ही होती है. He got the choicest of roots and fruits for Bharat and Shatrughan. And they said, this is enough and now we leave. He said, no, aap rukiye. And then Bharadwaj Rishi said, ki now this is the entire group of people who have left everything and they are moving towards Sri Ramji. How can I not give them the best of treatment? इनका तो अधिकार है सृष्टि की सारी संपदा पे. किसका अधिकार है? जो सब छोड़ के प्रभु के पीछे भागता है, उसका सब चीजों पे ऐसे ही अधिकार हो जाता है. एंड एट दैट टाइम जो भरद्वाज ऋषि ने राम के लिए नहीं किया था, उनने भरत और अयोध्या वासियों के लिए किया. ही समन्ड द रिद्धीज एंड द सिद्धीज. ऑल द देवीज केम डाउन. He sat down with his tabbal. Now this rishi has such a tabbal, but he is staying where? In a tattered hut with tattered clothes because उसको इन सब से कोई मतलब नहीं है. He sat down, he called everything down. He said, please, मैं चाहता हूं कि इनका आतिथ्य, इनका सत्कार, they be greeted so well. So all the mystical powers, and you know how we describe it to the children is beyond words. You know, it is said that each and every person got what they liked. If you like black coffee, that would be offered to you. If somebody likes teas, that would be offered. If you like the color pink in your room, that was done. So much of detailing that each and every person of Ayodhya was given this kind of a treatment. Each animal was given the best of fodder and shelter. And it is like an entire city was built in a minute. And this is mentioned here. कि ऐसा हुआ, and time and again they mention it. पर हम नहीं मानते ना कि ऐसा थोड़ी हो सकता है. ऐसा थोड़ी हो सकता है. Everything, glitter and glam, the food, everybody's palate was taken care of. किसको क्या पसंद है उसके लिए वो सुविधा की थी. क्यों? क्योंकि ये राम के भक्त हैं. सब छोड़ के राम के पास जा रहे हैं, तो सृष्टि सारी जगह से हटके इनके पास आ गई. इंद्रलोक की सारी संपदा नीचे उतर गई. किसके लिए? राम के भक्तों के लिए. एंड राम के भक्त कैसे? They were feeling very uncomfortable. None of them wanted this. They said, no, no, no. भरत को जब बोला कि this is your chamber, आप जाके इसमें रुके, भरत जी was like, मना तो कर नहीं सकता, गुरु का आदेश है. He went inside and it is said, all night he was sitting in one corner with his eyes closed. He did not sleep a wink that night, guarding himself against the temptations of this world. None of them slept that night. None of them could. It was the most beautiful of arrangement. It was the most beautiful of facility. The entire Shrishti was conspiring and wanting to greet them and treat them, but they did not want it. All they wanted was Sri Hari. All night, these tapasvis in the most opulent of environment, in all the glam and glitter you can think about, with the choicest of food in front of them, they framed refrained from everything. Sat down because they did not want to say no to the Guru, but controlled themselves because all they wanted was Sri Ram. Not one person slept a wink. And जैसे तैसे this long night, this was the longest night for them. हमें तो लगे कि यार सुविधा मिल जाए तो फिर तो this is so blissful. No, they got everything, that yet they realized कि this everything comes without Ram. तो जहाँ राम नहीं है वहां मेरा तो मन नहीं लग रहा, मुझे नहीं चाहिए. ये कब हटाएंगे भरद्वाज ऋषि ये माया का जाल? Morning happened and they passed this test also. प्रभु के पास पहुंचने के लिए a lot of tests, good or bad, will come, and this is the journey. This is what it is showing. Bharadwaj Rishi said, may you get what you seek. He said, I do not want much. I just want bhakti towards Ram. Saying this, they march forward. We'll cover a little bit more before we close the session, because they reached a very auspicious place, and it is a blessing कि आज कुंभ चल रहा है, अलाहाबाद में ही चल रहा है, and that is where we have reached in our journey of Ramayan. How God only knows. Bharat reached Allahabad, प्रयागराज, जहां पे त्रिवेणी का संगम है, that one point जहां गंगा यमुना सरस्वती तीनों मिल रही हैं. भरत जी वहां तीर्थों के राजा, इट इज सेड सारे जो तीर्थ है ना उनका कोई राजा है तो वो प्रयागराज है, इलाहाबाद में, जहां तीनों गंगा यमुना सरस्वती मिल रही है, जो जहां पे अभी कुंभ मेला चल रहा है. दैट इज द प्लेस. सो ही रीच्ड देयर, Allahabad. Bharat entered the limits of Prayag, the area surrounding the confluence of Ganga Yamuna near Allahabad, in the afternoon. Overflowing with love, he cried. क्या कहते? कहत राम सिया उमंगी उमंग उमंगी उमंगी अनुराग. कहत राम सिया उमंगी उमंगी अनुराग. Saying this, he rushed towards the Prayagraj. Because what had happened was, after Nishad Raj took them to the other side of Ganga, Bharatji did not get on the chariot. He obliged to get on the chariot till Ramji was on the chariot. Because tab kaun the unke saath mein? If you remember, the journey till Nishad Raj was done on a chariot by Ram, Bharat and Sita Ma, Ram, Lakshman and Sita Ma, because Sumantra was with them, right? Till Ganga Tat, till Nishad Raj. But after that, when they asked him, कि now you get on the chariot, he said, no. I am a servant of Ramji. मैं तो चाकर हूं. अगर वो पैदल चल रहे हैं तो मुझे तो सर के बल चलना चाहिए. मैं अब नहीं बैठूंगा. He obliged. अब he won't sit. And all through he was walking. Although Ramji had requested one Devi, it is said that Ramji summoned one Devi. He tried his best. Now Ramji आगे आगे चल रहे थे when he was on this path, and he would realize, Lakshmanji would see that Ramji is clearing the path. अपना अंग वस्त्र लेके he is clearing the path. तो लक्ष्मण जी said, what are you doing? He said, देखना भरत आएगा. ये कांटे मुझे चुभ गए हैं, अगर भरत को चुभ गए तो. Not only this, he called one Devi and he said, listen, can you please clear that path? There were thorns in that path and my Bharat is going to come soon. So the one Devi, the goddess of the forest, asked, क्यों? Your Bharat is very weak क्या? कि उनके इतना कमजोर है कि एक कांटे से उनके पैर में लग जाएगी? बोलो नो, my Bharat is very strong. My Bharat is very strong. But the thing is, अगर उसको कांटा चुभा, he will break down. He will break down कि because of me, my brother had to endure such pain and walk this path. He will break down not because of the pain it causes him. He will break down because of the pain it might have caused me. So please, I beg of you. राम जी हाथ जोड़ के वन देवी को बोल रहे हैं कि सारे पत्थर कंकड़ हटा लेना. I tried my best to remove as much as I could. पर मेरा भरत आएगा और उसको बहुत दुख होगा अगर उसको लगा कि मेरे को ये सब कष्ट झेलना पड़ा था. It is said that the sun did not shine. When Ramji was coming, the sun wanted to shine. The clouds were going away because the sun wanted to see Ramji. Over here, they made canopies. The clouds made canopies. The sun dimmed its rays. One day we made sure there was not a single pebble, nothing. In spite of this, if he is walking without any paduka, any footwear, थोड़े तो blisters आ ही जाएंगे ना. So they are saying the blisters on the sole of his feet glistened like the dewdrops on the lotus bud. In spite of all that Ramji did to protect his brother, there were blisters, and with these, he slowly went towards the Prayag, joining his hands, shouting Ram Sita, and he stood at Prayag where the Triveni Sangam is happening. He joined his hand, he said, "Aap Prayag Raj hain, aap Tirthon ke Raj hain." Matlab, you go to Prayag, you have done all the Tirth already, it is considered like that, it is the greatest of Tirth. He joined his hand and said, "I am a Kshatriya," right? It is not my dharma to ask for anything. मैं आपसे कुछ मांग नहीं सकता, पर आज मैं अपना धर्म छोड़ता हूं. I leave my dharma. And this is where we had covered this chaupai last week, because I could not stop myself from covering it. He says, ki I'm joining my hands, I'm giving up my Kshatriya dharma, and I'm asking for something. अर्थ न धर्म न काम रुचि, गति न चाहू निर्वाण, जन्म जन्म रति राम पद, यह वरदान न आन. What is he saying? ना मुझे धर्म चाहिए, ना अर्थ चाहिए, ना काम चाहिए, ना मोक्ष चाहिए. I do not even want to get rid of this world of mundane existence की पुनरपि मरणम, पुनरपि जननम, बार बार जन्म, बार बार मनम. मुझे उससे भी मुक्ति नहीं चाहिए. बस मुझे एक चीज दे देना, तीर्थराज, प्रयागराज, कि जन्म 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 मैं बस राम का सेवक रहूं, राम के चरणों की सेवा कर सकूं, और मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए, मैं सिर्फ ये मांग रहा हूं. That day, standing at Prayag, maybe it is a lesson for all of us who are planning to go or gone, who are actually मन से हम जो जा रहे हैं, कि प्रयाग में जाके कुछ मांग मत लेना, वहां जाके प्रभु भक्ति ही मांगना. धर्म न अर्थ न काम रुचि, गति न चाहूं निर्वाण, जन्म जन्म रति राम पद, यह वरदान न आन. बस मुझे प्रभु की सेवा में लगा के रखना, फिर कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता तुम मुझे झोपड़े में रखो या महलों में रखो या सड़कों पे रखो, या तुम मुझे जानवर ही बना दो, कोई बात नहीं, पर उस हिरण के तरह बनाना कि जिसको पता था जब भरत हिरण बने थे कि मेरे को प्रभु प्राप्ति की तरफ अग्रसर होना है. And over here, Prayagraj answers. See, all the devs talk, all the birds talk, even the Prayag talks, if we are eligible. So over here, in response to Bharat's prayers, there came a sweet utterance from the midst of Triveni. That Triveni Sangam ke beech se आवाज आई, Dear Bharat, you are pious in every way, and your love for Sri Ram's feet is unbounded. In vain do you harbor depressing thoughts in your mind. There is no one so dear to Ram as you are. प्रभु को सब चाहते हैं, पर ऐसा कोई हो जिसको प्रभु चाहे. हम सब प्रभु को याद करते हैं. काश कि हम कभी ऐसा बन पाए कि प्रभु भी हमारी याद में आंसू बहाए, कि ये कब आएगा. इतना विश्वास प्रभु को हम पे भी हो कि आज नहीं तो कल ये मेरे पास आएंगे. And that is Bharat. Just a little bit of Bharat to you. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Krishna, Jai Hanuman, Jai Hanuman, Jai Hanuman.